So David said, once you find the info you're looking for, using a web scraper will save you a lot of time, and you can put it into a spreadsheet for further enrichment and then upload it to your ATS. He also listed a couple free web scrapers. Turn them off.
So there's a challenge with the data scrapers, and we should know because I've actually had both 2 out of 3 of the ones that you've mentioned installed on my own system. I have them all off at current. And in fact, what I do instead is I capture and organize and spreadsheet it with AI instead. And in fact, the way that some of the AIs are working right now with Claude, I can actually do this with a bunch of different tabs open and combine them all at once. With ChatGPT, I can do this from a picture of somebody else's data that I covertly take with my phone. Like there's so many options for it these days that the data scrapers, which get you in trouble at LinkedIn, are kind of redundant.